Very good morning, children. Today I am going to explain you the worksheet 1 part. Okay, this is of page number 24. Okay, so our first section is reading section. Read the passage carefully and answer the questions. So they have asked us to read this passage. Under this passage, there are some blanks were given to us. So we found the answers of these blanks in this paragraph itself. So we have to read the paragraph carefully. Okay, let us see. Hello, my name is Tina. I have a room all to myself. She had her own room. The best part of my room is the shelf above my study table. She had a shelf above her study table. I like to put all my favorite things on it. So she will keep the favorite things of her in that shelf. On the left side is my toy elephant Jumbo. So on the left side what she had? She had a toy elephant. What is the name of the toy elephant? Jumbo. It is white in color. Which color is it? It is white in color. Once it had a perfect long trunk, but my pet dog Bruno chewed off a part of its trunk one day. Now Jumbo has short trunk. So what happened? Initially the elephant Jumbo had a long trunk, but Tina's pet dog chewed the Jumbo's trunk. So now it became very short. So I love craft work. What does she like? She likes craft work. I put my craft materials along with my creations. What does she like? She likes the craft materials along with her creations. That means what she had done with that craft. Okay. On the shelf. She kept all of her crafts, toys and her favorite items on the shelf. So the photo frame with my family's photo is my favorite creation. So she prepared the photo frame of her family photo and she kept it on the shelf, and that is her favorite creation. So the only thing I don't like about my shelf is the dust on it. What does she didn't like? She didn't like the dust on her shelf. So this is all about the passage. Now let us answer the questions or the blanks that are given under that passage. Okay. So what is the first one? We have to fill the blanks. Fill in the blanks. We have to fill the blanks. So what is the first one? Jumbo is dash in color. What color Jumbo was? It was white in color. Tina's pet dog chewed off Jumbo's trunk. What is the name of Tina's dog? Bruno. Tina puts her craft dash off the shelf. What will be the answer? So see, craft materials and her creations. Materials and her creations on her shelf. So the dash is Tina's favorite creation. The photo frame of her family is her favorite creation, right? So let us see the next one. answer these questions. So they have asked us to answer the questions. What is the first one? What is the best part of Tina's room? According to Tina's room, what is the best part? The best part of Tina's room is her shelf that is above her study table. What does she put on it? What does she put on it? She kept all her favorite things. Okay, her craft material, her creations, her photo frame with her family. She kept all of that favorite things of her. Who is Jambu? Jambu is an elephant toy that had Tina. What does Tina love to do? Tina love to do craft work. What does Tina dislike? What does Tina dislike? She disliked the dust on her shelf. Okay, so you have to answer all these questions now. So see children, our next section is vocabulary, right? Tick the correct collective noun from the basket. You have already know what is a collective noun is. A group of anything is referred as collective noun. We give a particular name for group of anything. It may be group of animal or group of birds or group of things or group of persons. Then we called that group with a particular name. That name is nothing but collective noun. Okay, so there was dash of birds. There was flock of birds. I saw a dash of ships on the harbor. A fleet of ships. The shepherd took the dash of cattle. So herd of cattle. There was dash of army on the battlefield. There was dash of soldiers on the battlefield. Soldiers, we referred soldiers with the army. Okay, we referred players with a team. A group of players is team. A group of soldiers is an army. Okay, so a dash of bottles was kept on the shelf. A crate of bottles. What is the name? A crate of bottles. Okay, so our next section is writing part. Complete the sentence given below. You can use words from the box. So there are some words that are given to us and they have asked us to fill the blanks. Okay, so let us see. Mane, king, cub, strong, sharp, wild, eats. A lion is a dash animal. What kind of animal was lion? It is a wild animal or a strong animal? It is a wild animal. A lion is a wild animal. So it is very dash. What kind of animal is it? It is very strong animal. Right? It is very strong. It is called the dash of jungle. As you know, lion is known as the king of jungle. So it has a dash and dash. What does it had? It has a mane. Right, as it is a king, so it has a mane and a sharp teeth. And what kind of sharp teeth it has? A sharp teeth. A lion dash other animals. What does lion do to other animals? It eats. It eats other animals, and a young lion is called as a cub. As you know, what we call the baby lion? The cub. The young lion or the baby lion is known as cub. Okay, so our next section is activity section. It is very interesting. So make a paper boat. They have given us the steps and you have to follow that steps in order to create a paper boat. Now what you have to do is you have to follow all these steps and you have to prepare a paper boat on your own and you have to send those pictures to me. Okay, let us see. Make a paper boat. Follow the steps given below to make a paper boat. What are the steps? First you have to take a sheet of paper and fold it in half. First you have to take a paper and you have to fold it in half. Okay, then hold the top left corner and fold it inside. Okay, then hold the top right corner and fold it in the same direction. And then what you have to say? Fold both stripes at the bottom to the opposite side. It should look like a hat. Okay. So see what? First you have to take a paper and you have to fold it, and after that you have to fold the right corner, top, and that what you have to do? Then like this you have to fold it. Okay, like a hat. So open the hat. So they have asked us to open the hat and press it flat to make a square. So see how to do this. You have to open the hat and you have to remove it. Okay, and you have to make it a square. See, like this you have to make it a square, and after that fold both sides of the square upwards in opposite direction. In opposite direction you have to fold it. Okay, so now you will get a triangle. So if you open the triangle, this is smaller square. Then you found, see, like this it will came. If you open this edge and this edge, it will become a boat, and pull open sides of a boat is ready. So see, you have to pull this side and and your boat is ready. So in this way you have to make a boat and you have to share those pictures with me. Okay, so this is all about your worksheet. Okay, you have to read your worksheet and you have to answer all the questions on your own. So this is your homework today and you have to write this. Okay, this is your homework. You have to write the vocabulary part and you have to send those pictures to me. So I am going to upload you the lesson 3 CW part today, and I will let you know once I informed that. Okay, I will let you know once I kept that notes. Okay, I am keeping all the notes in our school app. So those who didn't know about the CW part, you have to search an assignment icon of our school app. Okay, so hope you understand the worksheet part. You have to write everything on your own without taking the help of others, and you have to make a boat by using all these steps, and you have to send us the pictures to me. Hope you understand the lesson. Thank you.